Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's me, Steve Clerk. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you the top 3 online casinos na still tinatangkilik ko dahil sa kanilang pagiging 100% legit. Yes guys, 100% legit po itong mga ito at hindi ko ito i-recommend sa inyo if sila ay hindi legit, of course. Trust me. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, napakaraming online casinos guys na legit. Yes guys, so pipili na lang kayo kung ano nga ba yung best or mas fit sa inyo. So itong tatlong i-recommend ko sa inyo ay actually isa sa mga paborito kong mga sites. Pero bago ako mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel, naman, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. So without further ado, let's get started! So ito guys, bago ko makalimutan, itong mga sites na babanggitin ko ay hindi po sponsored. Yes, malinaw yan ha. Sinishare ko lang yung mga sites na legit, na alam ko, at kung saan ako mas nag-e-enjoy. At sa mga naghahanap ng online casino sites na legit, so ito na pagkakataon nyo na, keep on watching. Meron akong isi-share sa inyo guys, saglit lang to. Meron kasi mga nagko-comment sa mga previous vlogs ko tungkol sa sites na online casino na nire-recommend ko. Sabi nila, scam daw ito, scam daw ako, fake daw. Basta ang dami nilang sinasabi, pero binabaliwala ko lang yon. Kasi guys, alam ko sa sarili ko na legit, 100% legit yung nire-recommend kong sites. At isa pa kung scammer ako, kung scam ito, syempre of course, hindi ko ipapakita tong mukha ako, di ba? At itong YouTube channel ko, pangalan ko mismo. So paano nasasabing ako ay scammer? 'Di ba? Hindi kasi alam ng mga ibang tao diyan eh. Porket hindi lang pumaldo or something like, basta ang dami nila mga sinasabi, sasabihin, scammer ako, scam daw, hindi legit o ano. Basta ang dami nila mga sinasabi. Pero whatsoever, still magbo-vlog ako, gagawa pa rin ako ng mga videos na alam kong legit naman ang mga nire-recommend ko. Anyways, back na tayo sa ating pinaka-topic. So, what are the top 3 online casinos here in the Philippines na paborito ko and still tinatangkilik ko? Mag-start tayo sa number 3. This is actually the YY777. Dito sa YY777, no matter what your skills level is, YY777 is the ideal destination for every player. Take the first step towards limitless excitement. Dito rin sa YY777, napakaraming games na pagpipilian. So yun for me ang top number 3. And let's proceed sa ating top number 2. This is actually the 88JL. Dito sa 88JL ay napakarami ding pagpipili ang mga games. One to sawa to guys. So lahat naman ng online casinos, napakaraming games talaga. Napakaraming pagpipilian at one to sawa ka talaga. So dito sa 88JL, all players are welcomed with open arms. We are dedicated to providing an exceptional online gaming experience for players of course here in the Philippines, offering a variety of online games such as slots, live, cards, bingo, fish, poker, sabong, sports, and lottery. Enjoy the luxury and excitement of a top legit online casino right at your home when you sign up with 88JL. Join us today to start your online adventures and enjoy non-stop thrills with a range of ongoing promotions that allow you to earn profits every day. So ayun naman guys ang 88JL. So let's start dito sa top number 1. So ano nga ba ito? So this is actually the 7JL. 7JL Online Casino is an emerging online gaming platform designed to offer an exciting and secure gaming experience for players worldwide. Known for its wide selection of games, including slots, table games, and a dynamic live casino section, 7JL Casino caters to diverse gaming preferences. The platform prides itself on user-friendly navigation, attractive bonuses, and security measures to ensure fair play and protection and player information. At ito pa guys, with multiple payment options and efficient customer support, 7GL Casino is committed to providing a seamless and enjoyable gaming environment, making it a promising choice for both new and seasoned players. So ayun guys, ang the top 3 online casinos na tinatangkilik ko. Join the fun today and who knows, you might just hit the jackpot in your favorite game. So yun lamang guys, I hope na nagustuhan niyo itong video na ito at meron kayong mga natutunan, especially sa mga naghahanap dyan ng mga online casinos na legit. Anyways, hanggang dito na lamang tayo guys. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. See ya!